Greetings! Welcome to the Justin Blake Show. I am yours truly, Justin Blake. Now remember, if you haven't subscribed as yet, make sure so you touch the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you can receive a notification each time I publish a new video. Now today's topic is dancehall music coming from the city of Montego Bay. When I mention about dancehall music and also the city Montego Bay, the first names that come to mind are Tommy Lee, TJ, Chilando, Squash, Destiny Psychodal Sparta, Shaney, Rygin King, and also Rhyminista. Now, there are a few notable names that deserve mention like Kentel, Vision, Sinner 6, Roxy, Cheeky Grains, nah left no out. And the list goes on and on. If you don't hear your name, don't bother hate me. Next time around, you will definitely hear your name. When we talk about dancehall music emerging from Montego Bay, it never just happened overnight. You know, there were people before your favorite artist that is now current and popping, which is from the city of Montego Bay. There were people before them who paved the way. I'm talking about artists who used to carry the soundbox, jump on the sound truck, go a country, to go perform, and then have to pack up back the sound and bring it come back to Montego Bay. And I'm talking about people like Major Light. I'm talking about people like Akonko. I'm talking about people like Warface, Fire Lion, and the list goes on and on. Now remember this, recording artists, aspiring recording artists, that is from the city of Montego Bay, or any artist out there in the world. Are you just a recording artist who want to live in the recording booth all the day of your life recording songs? I don't think so. When you make this great work of art, which is your music, and you send it out there in the world and the world take on to it, I'm sure that it gives you a nice and warm feeling. Now, remember this. When people book you for company and show them book you for come perform. Artists, if you cannot perform, then you are only a recording artist and you are not a performing artist. Now, if you want to develop your performing skill, you need to practice, rehearse. Rehearse in front of a mirror. That way, you can see how you react to your audience when you're looking at yourself in the mirror. By doing so, you can now develop your performing art form. That stage is yours. You are there to perform. It is called a stage show. For 15 to 20 minutes or even an hour, you have to interact with your audience. Artists, please remember this. Use up the stage. Don't just stand one place in the middle of the stage. The audience is depending on you to perform. Amuse them with your performing skill. Your mannerism is very important because it contributes to how you connect with your audience to get that uproar of excitement from the crowd. You can't just be lazy and rare. If you're lazy and you can't perform, start exercise. You need to get your body in motion so you can be able to perform to your audience. Once you become a recording artist now, you are now a brand name. Once you become that brand, it is for you to do what is best to make your brand grow. Performing, how you conduct yourself in an interview, the type of structure you have as it relates to the business of music. Because remember this, music is 10% talent, 90% business. So you have to have all your proper business order put into place. Make sure that your music are copywritten. So whenever your music go out there in the world, any revenue that is generated from your music, make sure that money is sourced to your banking account. Proper management. You don't want your friend to be a manager and your friend does not know how to manage, not even in 2 steps. You need someone who is experienced in that field on a professional level to make sure that he is getting your just due. Now, artists, your behavior have a lot to do with the development and the growth of you, the artist. Believe me, you will hot today and tomorrow you drop like bad news. Remember that music is not selling like it used to 10 or 15 years ago. So if you are a great performer, your bookings will be all year round, all over the world. So you have to take all these factors into mind whenever you are pursuing a musical career. So remember this, aspiring artist. Get your thing put into order. Start rehearse in front of your mirror. Be your first audience. That way you will be more comfortable when you go on an actual stage. Yeah. Style a style and style can't spoil. So make sure say your style is a style that will connect with people in a the realest way.
It's a customer then. Now this is Stingray customer then. Ready? Tattoo lovers. Yin yang. Color. Jigsaw. The color. Tattoo. Look how we skin look. Color. Please. What do I say tattoo? Tattoo. Look how we skin look. Color. Watch it. Look how we skin look. Color. Tattoo from we head to we foot. Look how we skin look. Color. Look how we skin look. Girl boss with a cardi. Them say we a man, somebody so we hit everybody. But after we so we can't do it as a hobby. Tattoo with foot and we back and we neck. That's why we are getting pretty by squaddy. I will not give a hell who wants to be for the honey. Somebody a fit for somebody. We are the Kingston link, red, black, blue, pink. We are using an income. Hey ladies, put down a strawberry on your belly. If not a cherry, no man nobody tell you unnecessary. Color the skin, cartoon, cherry. Look how we skin. Look how we skin. Color. Look how we skin, look. One up, learn boss with a cardi. Level, put it on. Leave for the soul, you're going a band. Crisis, Scorpio, or Capitan. Answer, our car was over the hand. When I hear sing, me go to land. Noodle up on your hand. Just keep cool down on your car. Pretty, color skin. Look how we skin. Color. Look how we skin. Tattoo from we head to it. Look how we skin. Color. Hear us say. Color. Them say we a man, so many to be everybody. Tattoo we foot and we back and we neck. That's why I know we not give a hell who wants to be for somebody a people or somebody.